Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set camera timer on Facebook Reel. So if you want to set a timer like 3 seconds or 10 seconds while recording your Facebook Reel, but you don't know how to go about this, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to set camera timer on Facebook Reel, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook application on your phone. This could be on Android or could be on iPhone. Go ahead and click on the plus button, select Reel. Now once you selected Reel, swipe through the Reel menu like this. Go ahead and click on green screen. Now once you selected green screen, go out of the green screen if you already use green screen on your Facebook Reel. Then expand the video. Now on this menu, go ahead and click on timer. Once you selected timer, you have option to choose 3 seconds timer or 10 seconds timer. Now you can also record your Facebook Reel length up to 90 seconds or reduce the length. Then once you are set with the timer, go ahead and set the record length and then click on set. Then now you should see the timer here. Then go ahead and click on the shutter button. Then you should see your countdown. Then the video is going to start in a matter of 10 seconds. So just need to hang on. After that, then your Facebook Reel will start recording. So that is it. So once you're done, click on the shutter button and then you're good to go. So you see that? Then you can now go ahead and publish your Facebook Reel, and that is it. So that is basically how to set timer in Facebook Reel. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.